this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package, the black appearance package, and the Lariat Ultimate package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, got tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, with a tailgate step. We got side bed steps. We even got a bed camera up there. Black platform running boards. Side view camera. Trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated. And moving to the front, we have 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. We do get plenty of door space in the back, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, cup holders, heated back seats, USB-Cs, 120 volt, and you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front with that B&O sound system, powered mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. We have our parking brake pedal adjusters, tailgate, spotlights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 28 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, your trip and fuel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the Chevy in front of me. It just limits your distractions so you're not always looking down at this screen. You have your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we have tons of storage. You got a wireless charging pad, outlets, and it does close. You got the F-Series logo, cup holders, and you get 2 more. Leather wrap center console with even more storage. You got a light and some outlets down there. You have your drive modes with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, a 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and above here as well. Storage below. Above me we have 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice rear window opener. We also have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, engine brake, and trail control just right there. Looking at our audio, we do have our normal AM, FM, but we do get Sirius XM and Bluetooth. You got your phone capabilities right here, navigation, fave apps such as message and email or whatever you have selected there, apps in general or any apps you have downloaded such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings. You do get personal profiles with this vehicle as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC25172, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.